Hey, good day everyone. I've got this Lynx Hold Ratchet tie down set. It's a heavy duty 4-pack here. It's got a working load limit of 1,760 pounds, a max breath strength of 5,280 pounds. All right, here's everything that came in the box. It's got our ratchet straps here, soft loop straps here as well, the other part of the ratchet straps, and it comes with a nice carrying bag too. Okay, the first thing you do is you lay it out like this. And you get this piece here. Go ahead and unfold this. Got the working end of the strap here, so I'm just going to take and thread it right in through here, just like that. Pull it back this way. Now I pull this out. Go ahead and crank it down. One of the things you can do is go ahead and release it. Pull this up and back like that, and now just pull it all the way out. One of the other things that this kit comes with is these soft straps here, these soft loop straps. What this allows you to do here is, instead of trying to go around the object itself, you can loop this around or through the object. Lots of ways to rig this, but you can put this to your object and then clamp to this. Take, for instance, we want to use this as our anchor point here and pull something in from it. Go ahead and strap that soft strap right there. And now we can pull using this, and what we'll do is just hook that into here, just like that. Just hook this up here. Super easy connect and disconnect. Let's say you got a dead tractor and you got to tow it, or you want to pull something from it. Go ahead and wrap our soft shackle around that, soft strap. And we're going to go ahead and use this for our anchor point here too. Run this soft strap around there. I can pull this tractor anywhere I want it now. And when you're done with it, you just lay it over all the way flat, like that. And now you can just pull it all the way out. All right, these are gonna work great for strapping things down too. Got a camping box here. You can see it fits right through the eyelets here. And then I took up a bunch of slack as well, because I already knew my distance from here to here was pretty short. Just went right through here. Now I can just take it. Love these things. Really happy with them. Thanks for watching, everybody.